Hey guys, Steve here. Today I want to get on here and show you how you can make unlimited $6 commissions off a one-time $7 purchase. And I want to show you how you can multiply that out and make up to $526 per referral. But wait, there's more. You can also take that same $526 per referral and multiply that out and make even more, even hundreds more, and potentially even thousands more by adding this one $7 purchase into a multiple income funnel. Okay, so without further ado, let's just jump in here and I want to show you how this all works. So first, of course, you'll be on this page here. Let's minimize this. This is the page that you're on now. I'm actually making this video right now, so you'll see these buttons. Where we want to go is called the lead lightning system, right? So let's jump over to there. And this is the system that costs you one time $7. Now, it's a system. It's an all-in-one business in a box, perfect for beginners to start generating commissions immediately. Why? Because the price point is so low. It's only $7 to buy, and you pocket $6 every sale. So let me show you what you get. And how this can create a list of buyers for you and how you can plug this into a bigger system. So, like I said, it's 0 monthly fees, it's easy to use, and it's a complete business in a box, okay? So, you get funnels, you get autoresponder campaigns, you get a contact manager for all your contacts, you get support, you get an e-wallet, right? To pocket all of those $6 commissions. You get commission tracking, traffic training. Like I said, it's a business in a box, and you make $6 commissions for every $7 buyer. Now, if there was a way for you to multiply that out and make even more, would you do it? Of course you would. So let me show you how this one-time $7 purchase can turn into potentially $526 per referral. So the system here, this schematic or this diagram, is called the anatomy of the lead lightning funnel, which you just saw on the previous page. Now, this video here will show you how to start promoting your lead lightning. But here's what's interesting. As a buyer comes through your capture page, they get presented with an offer, the lead lightning system, for $7 one time, which is nothing, right? That's less than a Happy Meal. For a one-time $7 purchase, they can get a business. Now, you pocket $6 of that. So that's $6. Remember that. So while that credit card is still hot, they get presented with a series of upsells that can pocket you additional income. The first income that you can pocket off of that is a $20 residual commission. And for anybody that does the same thing as you on your team, you'll get a 50% match of that. So you'll get $10 per person if your team repeats these same steps, right? So it doesn't just stop there. Now, if they say no, they don't want it, that's where it ends. They get presented with a downsell of a silver membership that you can earn $15 on, but I rarely see people take that up, right? Most people continue on, accept the gold membership, and continue on through the funnel, right? So after the gold membership, if they say yes, they get presented with the second upsell, which can pocket you an additional $100 one time into your pocket. And if you, as my teammate, do that, I can get $25 into my pocket, which is cool because we both get paid off of your sale, right? It doesn't stop there, because if they go on further, they'll get presented with a third upsell. Now, this third upsell will offer a series of trainings and additional instructions on how to do other traffic generation methods, how to promote on social media and whatnot. That package will pocket you an additional $400 into your e-wallet and pocket me, as your sponsor, $50, taking no money from you. That's awesome, right? Unbeatable. So at the end of the whole funnel, you got the $6 from your lead lightning commission. You got the $20 a month residually, plus 50% team matches. You get the $100 upsell, and you get the third upsell, which is for the $400 commission straight into your pocket. That's awesome. $526. Now, if you want to take that even further, I'll show you how to plug this same system into a bigger system. And I want to go back to the page that you're on here, because all you do is scroll down further, right? Also, it'll be up here, this multiple income system. Income stream number 2 in the system is this $7 one-time purchase. So just imagine that. Imagine how you can get paid unlimited $6 commissions and potentially $526 per person from that income stream alone. but also the other 3 income streams that's within this multiple income funnel. So what I want to do is I want to scroll down to the bottom of this page and show you here where you can activate your 4 income streams autopilot system for a small fee, right? And you can make $20 residually off of that and exponentially off of every other income stream in that system. So what you'll do is you'll click here, right? And it'll take you to this page here. And here are just some of the testimonials. Behind, you can see this is the Facebook group, but this is just a few testimonials of what over 7,900 happy members are making. But I'll let you click that link below, because what this system does by inserting that $7 one-time purchase system into this bigger system, you can generate exponentially multiple commissions through multiple streams of income. And that's it. That's all I got. I just wanted to show you that off a one-time $7 purchase, how you can use that and leverage that one system and generate unlimited commission. So all I'm asking you to do is click this link here, one-time $7, no monthly fees. And if you're interested in multiplying that out, go further down and activate your 4 income stream autopilot system. Well, that's all that I got. That's all that I wanted to share. If you enjoyed this video, like, share, and subscribe. And if this video is anywhere on one of my pages, just click the link below to go to the offer. Thanks.